Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make churros with bread, easy method. Start by tearing bread into crumbs and soaking in milk and egg until soft but not soupy. Press the mixture into a piping bag or sturdy zip bag and pipe strips into hot oil. Fry in small batches until golden, flip once, and drain briefly on paper towels before coating in cinnamon sugar and serving warm. Prepare ingredients calmly and measure to avoid soggy churros or raw centers. Crumble bread evenly and soak with milk just enough to hold together without dripping. Whisk in a beaten egg and a bit of flour until you can pipe a sturdy rope. Preheat oil to stable medium heat and test a small piece to ensure it browns without burning. Keep toppings ready so churros can be coated as soon as they drain. When you want flavor that sings, fold in vanilla extract or a teaspoon of citrus zest into the batter for a fresh lift. A simple cinnamon sugar blend is classic, but offering chocolate sauce or dulce de leche makes this treat feel special. Plate churros warm and crisp and invite guests to dip or drizzle as they like. These bread churros make a cozy snack from pantry staples with minimal fuss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.